hands, girl. Open up my hands. Just whipping up. That's boys. I'm so sorry. I was calling like everybody girls. I'm sorry. Whipping up my hands, boys. I have slime on my hands. Whipping up my hands, boys and girls. Let's get on with the video. Hey guys, we just had this intro talked about yesterday. I should know this. Let's restart, alright. What's up, unicorns? It's your girl Sky here, and today I'm going to be doing the Guess That Slime Challenge. So I have 4 slimes. I have a lot of slimes, but I just had to pick 4. So I have to guess these slimes, and I just have to guess by their feel. So I have these slimes. This is a blue scented slime. It's a blue scented slime, and I'm not allowed to smell it. I'm only allowed to like play with it. And this is a brown slime. It's a brown poop slime, so it's gonna be hard trying to guess these two. And this is a sticky slime. It's like it's a green or yellow. So it's gonna be hard guessing these two because they're like really normal slimes, but this is glossy and this is poo. So it's gonna be hard guessing those. And I also have this hair container that I used. And it's a crunchy slime, but it's a green slime. So yeah. So let's get on to the video. I'm gonna go get my blindfold and I'll be right back. Let's wait. My blindfold's over here. So guys, my blindfold is this jacket, but I'm not gonna be facing it the right side up. I'm gonna be facing it the wrong side up. This way. And I think it's gonna be a little bit hard to breathe in here, but that's okay. So I'm gonna mix the slimes up with my hand, of course with my hands. All right. So I'm just gonna mix the slime up and we're gonna see you. All right, so I'm gonna put this on. And I'm gonna mix. It's gonna be easy guessing this because I already felt it. To get this out of the way, I'm just gonna play with it. Oh my god, this is so sticky. Alright, I'm just gonna take this little piece out. Man, it's hard to breathe in here. Alright, I already know it's a crunchy slime, but I just need to get this off my hands. Alright, I'm just gonna take it off. Oh my god. Guys, I'm so sorry. I did not see that. If it's blocking the camera in the whole video, and I didn't take my blindfold off. It was just blocking you guys so. That'd be so funny. But very sad for you guys, like if it was just like this the whole time. It was just like that for the whole time. If you guys, that'd be so sad. Alright. Oh, look at this. It's so many foam beads. It's like when you stretch it. Oh, that is so cool! Alright. And yes, I was right. It was crunchy slime because it has a different container than these. So, because I couldn't find another container of those. It's so stretchy, but it's kind of sticky. Alright. Next slime. Alright, so I'm going to put that slime right there. And I'm going to mix these little babies up. And hopefully it doesn't get on the camera. Alright, here we go. Hopefully I don't press not record on the camera accidentally. Hopefully I didn't. Alright, time to do, I'm scared, so, alright, so I'm going to put them in order. Alright, I'm scared. Oh, I almost took it off. Oopsies. I'm going to pick this one. Oh, God. Oh, it's sticky. Both of them are sticky. Oh, no. Alright, I'm going to put this. Okay. What if I'm, like, not facing you guys? Oh, my God. What if I press it? Alright, I'm not scared. Alright, look at that. It's, oh my God, it's that just scared me. Oh, this might be the poop slime. Yeah, I think it's the poop slime. Yeah, I think it's the poop slime. I'm just guessing it's, actually no, I think it's the sticky slime. Because maybe, like, this is, like, so smooth. Yeah, I'm guessing the sticky slime. Oh, it was a poop slime. And I didn't press not record. Yay. This round didn't turn out to be a fail. And I thought I pressed, like the, exit button. I thought I pressed that when I was like the camera. I thought I pressed that, but I didn't. Alright, I'm gonna scoop my chair. Did you guys not see my face? Like, if I'm like this, you guys cannot like not see my face. And you guys might be like thinking that I'm cheating, but I'm not, cause I guessed it before, but like, I'm stupid. Alright, so it's so stretchy. I think this might be my favorite slime. It's really stretchy. Look at that. If you guys want me to do the blindfold slime challenge, comment down below. Because I love to do the blindfold slime challenge for you guys. And watch that train wreck. And watch that train wreck. Everything's probably gonna be like over the camera, like, and you guys probably can't like see my face or anything. You guys can't even like. What if my slime turns out to be too liquidy? That's not so bad, but it's like so stretchy. Oh my God! It could get on my jacket. We had hoodie day today. Today's spirit day at my school. Tomorrow's color day. I'm gonna like get so much slime on market day. So I'm gonna get like so much slime. And then I'm gonna show it to you guys. Alright, so we only have the final 2 slimes left. Alright, so enough playing with this beautiful, awesome poop slime. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's almost 7 o'clock. I have to eat dinner. I have to eat dinner before I go to bed because I'm waking up early. Get it early. Because I have to work on market day. Because I'm making slime for market day. And you guys are going to... Alright. Next thing. Alright, so I'm just going to guess. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, catch a patch with your leg up my nose to pick the best one, and you are not it. Bye-bye. Oh, God. This might be the stick. Yep, I think it's, oh, please don't let it explode. Please don't let it explode, please. Guys, it explode. Ew. Wait, did I miss the bowl? I missed it. Oh my God, this is so sticky. I'm trying to, oh my God, this is so sticky. Ew. I'm trying. This slime is so sticky. No. jacket. I'm sorry if you guys are like cringing right now for this slime because like it's so sticky. Ew, so sticky. I'm trying. I don't like this slime. This slime is so sticky. Like I put it in here because I thought it'd be like funny to you guys, but like it's like all over my table. Like look at that. Like look at that stuff. That's all over it. But look at my hoodie. People are gonna be asking questions like, "Why do you have slime on your head?" I'm like, "Cause I can." My parents. Oh my God, my parents. I got this for a Christmas gift, and I put stupid slime on it. I'm sorry, slime. I'm sorry, Karina Garcia, but like, this stupid slime messed it up. And I got this for Christmas. Do you know how many stuff I put slime on? It's gonna be a third. Maybe I could just like put it up like that. There you go. Or my parents can wash it. Yes, my parents can wash it. All right, I'll be right back, guys. Because I need to like have a word with this stupid slime. Dear slime, I hate you stupid thing. That's my response. I need to go wash my jacket. All right, guys, so I'm back. The jacket, I put water on it and it didn't even work. All right, so I'm just gonna show you guys this last time. It's the scented slime. It's really stretchy, but still sticky. Sorry if you hear something in the background. It's either my laundry or it's my dad because he's on a work call, and I decided that would be the perfect time to upload a video. We'll do this video. I think I also might do a video, but I don't know what it's gonna be about. Oh God, do you just see that, guys? Ooh, pretty. Yeah. It's like just happy inside. Happy. I love this slime. Sad. Oh, the slime turned out to be terrible. It's so sticky. While you guys are gone, things kind of went a little bit out of control. So I was playing with the slime, and it kind of got a little bit too sticky. I was like doing this, like, I was doing that, and then it just stick to my hands, and I couldn't get out. And I had to like press with my pinky. Okay, camera, just turn it on. So that's what happened, and I'm trying to get all this slime off of me. Ugh. Oh God, this is my favorite slime, and I don't want to get messed up by it. Juju want. I was gonna say Juju wanna be. Juju wanna be. Now slide, drop. Hit that ball, don't stop, A. Don't stop, A. Don't stop, A. Juju wanna be. Juju wanna be. wanna be? Now it's slide. Hit the bottom. Don't stop. See how that's glossy? But at least this slime didn't get on my